In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you could make your first $5 online using your phone. So this video is going to be a step-by-step, literally walking you through how you could make your first $5 right here using your phone. But before I literally dive into that right here, I'm going to like to show you guys proof, because I love to show my subscribers, my student proof, to tell you something I've tested for myself and something that has worked for me. So right now I'm going to be coming over to the website that we're going to be using to make this money right here. So I'm going to be withdrawing right here. I'm going to be making a live proof right here. So you can see right here, this is a $5 Amazon gift card right here. So I'm going to be clicking on the $5 right here. So once I click on the $5 right here, I'm going to scroll down right here and I'm going to be clicking on this redeem button right here. So you guys could see that right here. I'm going to be clicking on the redeem button. So once I click on that redeem button right here, this gift card is going to be sent into my account right here. So once the gift card is sent into my account, I'm going to be sending this gift card right here to my vendor. Right now, we're going to be waiting for the money to land into my account. But before I literally show you guys that, I would like to show you guys my account. So you guys could see right here that I only have just 100 naira right here inside my account right here. So right now, I'm going to be transferring this gift card right here to my vendor right here. And I'm going to be waiting for him to send me the money straight up. So guys, right now I'm going to be reloading my screen right here. So let's see maybe if the money has right. You can see right here, the money just increased right here. You can see this is a balance of 4,000 right here on my screen right here. You can see this is a balance of 4,000 right here. If you notice earlier, it was just 100 naira right here. This is 4,100 naira. And the reason it's saying 4,000 is because of the charges, because I sent $5 right here into my account, which is equivalent to 5,000 naira. So the guy has just removed his charges right here to tell you right here the website I'm about to share with you. In this video is going to be paying you legit money. So I hope you guys have seen the proof right here. So basically what we're going to be doing right here on this website is we're going to be making money by answering questions. We're also going to be making money by playing games on our phone. We're going to be making money by literally downloading our apps on our phone. I'm going to be walking through step by step like I promised you in this video. So literally these answers that you're going to be doing right here on this website, the answer you're going to be answering are just simple questions about yourself, like guys, your name, your first name, your gender, where you're from, you know, the name of your country, you know, your postal code. These are just simple answers that you're going to be doing right here on this website, and you're going to be getting paid. Like I said, don't worry, I'm going to be walking through step by step how you can make this money. If you know you haven't joined the family right here, what are you waiting for? Make sure you smash that subscribe button and give the video a like, so you're going to be updated anytime I drop any kind of video about making money online. Because my channel is all about making money online. I teach you guys how you can make money online with various ways you could use to make money online. So basically, once you're on this website right here, the first thing you need to do right here is to come over to their menu tab right here. You're gonna see the menu tab. Just go over to this section. So once you click on this section right here, you're gonna see this answer option right here. You're gonna see the answer. Just click on the answer option. So once you click on the answer option right here, it's gonna take you to a place where you're gonna be answering this question. So you're gonna be seeing how much you're gonna be earning per survey. So this is just kind of a survey website where you're gonna be taking survey and you're gonna be making money right here. So this survey are just simple thing about yourself, like your first name, you know, your gender, your your date of birth, you know, the name of your family, how many family you have. So these are just simple things you could do right here. So you can see right here, this is a 5-minute question that you're gonna be answering. Just click on the survey. So once you click on this surveys option right here, it's gonna take you straight. You can see right here, this was what I was saying earlier. You can see right here, they said, what is your gender? So you could either be a male or female. You could just put that here, then you could put in your age. So once you're done with that right here, just click on the continue section. Then once you pass their test right here, you're gonna be credited your money into your account. Another way you can also use to make money on this app is by playing games on your phone. Just go over to the game section right here by clicking on the menu right here. So you can just click on start playing games right here. So you're gonna see different kind of games you could play right here. All you need to do right here is to install these games right here on your phone. So once you install these games on your phone, you can start playing them and you're gonna be getting paid. And also you can also join their offer world section right here. You could join their offer world section. So you're gonna see different kind of offer what you could do right here by literally just signing up on the website. You could download games on your phone, download applications on your phone right here. So you could just go over to their offer world section right here. So this is their offer world section. You're gonna see different kind of offer what you could do right here. So this is IE Studio right here. Just click on the IE Studio. And by the way, there are different offer worlds right here on this website that you could literally do right here to start making some money for yourself. So you can see right here, these are simple tasks you could do right here. So this tag says we should install an Octa FX trading app on our phone. So once you install an offer trading app on our phone, we are going to be credited 7 points right here. So from this point right here, you could literally redeem them into cash. You could redeem them through Amazon gift card. You could also send the money into your PayPal account. But if you know you have a PayPal account, but for Nigerian that may be watching this video, you know PayPal is not allowed in our country. So the only way you could literally withdraw money is through Amazon gift card. And by the way, once you already reach the minimum threshold of $5, you could literally send me this Amazon gift card. So I'm going to be sending your gift card right here to my vendor right here. So once the guy already redeemed the cash, I'm going to be sending you the money into your local bank account. So you could literally go join our WhatsApp community group right here in order to get in touch with me. So only message me once you know you have reached the minimum amount of $5. So you could literally see different kind of things you could do right here on this website. You could play games right here. Just download this app on your phone right here, and you're gonna be credited 269 points. You can see right here there are various ways you could use to make money on this website. So if you know you're finding the video up for, you're getting any value from the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here and like the video. And also, if you know you would like to ask me any question right now related to this website, just go over to the comment section right here and drop your comment, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. So if in any way you're kind of facing any issue with the website, you could just go to their customer support right here, click on the connect with us. So you could just reach out to them on Instagram and Facebook right here if you know you're having any issue with their customer support right here, and they're going to be getting straight up to you. So once you already reach the minimum threshold of $5 right here, all you need to do right here is to go over to this section right here. Just go over to the top section right here that's on your profile. So you'll be able to withdraw your money right here. Just click on that, then head over to this redeem section right here. Just click on this redeem section. So once you click on the redeem section right here, you will be able to withdraw your money right here using Amazon gift card. There are different kind of gift card right here. If I scroll down right here, you could also withdraw your money into Payoneer account. So you're gonna see their threshold right here. So if you know you have a Payoneer account, you need to make at least $54 right here to $252 in order for you to withdraw into your Payoneer account. But if you're going with the Amazon gift card right here, you will literally withdraw your money once you already reach $1 to $5 right here. So you can see there are different kind of gift card right here. That we have Stream gift card. There are different kind of gift card. This is the PayPal option. If you know you have a PayPal account, you could just link your PayPal right here to this website right here. So once you already have the money right here, once you reach the threshold right here, you could just click on the Amazon gift card right here. Then you're gonna clicking on the redeem option. So once you click on the redeem option, they're gonna be sending you this Amazon gift card into your email address. Then you could just message me on WhatsApp right here, and I'm gonna be sending this gift card right here to my vendor. So my vendor is gonna be converting the gift card into money. So I'm gonna be transferring the exact same amount of money right here into your local currency right here in Nigeria. So guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you know you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here and like the video. And also, if you have any question right here related to this website, feel free to drop your comment in the comment section below. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the website in the video description. Just click on the first link in the video description, and it's going to take you right here to the website. So all you need to do right here is to create an account if you know you haven't created an account for yourself. So you could literally log in using your Gmail account, or you could log in using your Apple account. Just click on your agree with their terms and conditions. Then once you're done with that, you could just click on your Gmail account. So once you click on your Gmail account right here, you'll be able to create an account using your Gmail account. So you could just click on the video right here, popping right here on your screen right here, to go learn more ways you could use to make money online. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace out.